Understanding libraries and custom functions.
Libraries are pre-existing collections of code designed for common tasks, while custom functions are pieces of code you write yourself for a specific need. Choosing between these depends on your project's goals, time constraints, and future maintenance. Making the right choice improves your coding efficiency and the quality of your software.
When to use a library.
Use a library when a feature or task is common, well documented, and has been solved many times before. Libraries save time, reduce errors, and are often optimized and tested by a large community. Examples include mathematical operations, networking, or handling file formats. Relying on established libraries can also make your code easier for others to maintain.
When to write your own function.
Write a custom function when your needs are unique or when libraries introduce unnecessary complexity or dependencies. If performance, control, or a lightweight solution is critical, creating your own function can be best. Custom code is also suitable for learning purposes or when you need a feature that is not available in any existing library.
Factors to consider in your decision.
Consider these factors: project scale, time constraints, performance needs, and long-term maintenance. Evaluate if a library is reliable, well-maintained, and compatible with your project. Also, weigh licensing, security, and how active the developer community is. Sometimes, a combination of both approaches is most practical.
Best practices for choosing wisely.
Before deciding, research available libraries and review documentation and user feedback. Keep your project's goals and maintainability in mind. Start with small experiments if unsure. Try a library and compare with your own solution. Whichever you choose, write clear documentation to make your code easy to understand and update in the future.